Anyway, here we go. We got another folding phone leak. This is from Lenovo, and this is so weird. This is a dual folding phone, nothing like what you think it is. Not dual folding like we showed with the Xiaomi prototype, where it folded from each side inward to create like a square. This is a portrait-style phone, similar to how the Razer was going to fold. It just folds in two spots. There's two different variants to it. It has a two-spot fold, two-hinge fold. I don't think that's it, Will. That's a different prototype, I think. This particular patent filing, it just came out. September 10th. Not just, but September 10th, so it's pretty fresh. This story, I'm reading it here on mspoweruser.com. Of course, the patent originally was detailed on Let's Go Digital, where all the patents go to live. It's very Razer-esque. I think you're still missing it there, Will. The headline is, Lenovo publishes patent for double-fold clamshell smartphone. That's the headline there. So it folds in a clamshell style, Razer style. And I mean, I'm trying to figure out what the purpose of this is. The middle fold makes sense. It just goes in half, like the screen folds in half. That seems to make sense, right? But the other fold is kind of like a partial access fold to shrink the height of the device so that you can interact with it possibly in a one-handed fashion. Apparently, this particular device is set to go on sale in Europe. Oh, the Razer version of this is set to go on sale in Europe January 2020 for around 1,500 euros, which surprisingly makes it one of the cheaper folding phones. What the two bending areas, I don't know. Do you have any insight on this? If you go and click on the patent, there's a button down there. Click here for patent, view the patent. Yeah, there you go. And you scroll down, you will actually get a representation of the two folds there, and then watch how it folds in each spot. It's very bizarre. So the original spot is pretty obvious in the center, but there, look at the other spot. As you keep scrolling, figure 10. Couple more scrolls, Willie do. There you go. So that presumably is another way to interact with your device. You have a half fold and a square portion of screen above that, possibly for single-handed functionality, to take a phone call without unraveling the entire thing. It's bananas. It's bonkers. It's crazy out here.
Hey, they're trying something new.
Stuff's going on.
Yeah.
Stuff's going on in the world of folding phones. It's not stopping. It's almost like we got some new patent hitting us every week, every couple weeks.
Or maybe this...
oh, here we go. Willie, hang on. Let me put my seatbelt on here. I just got to prepare myself for this rough ride. What do you got, Will? Wait a second. Let's just make sure we're all ready. Kirk, are you ready here? Will's going deep right now. What do you got?
This doesn't fold back, right? I'm guessing it just folds on the screen.
Go on, Will.
Well, I was thinking it could be like a phone case or a phone holder. Like if you just put it in the back. Oh,
Willie do. Ladies and gentlemen, Willie do. Ladies and gentlemen, Willie do. Kirk, you got to cut to Willie do there. There you go. Now just hold this frame for a little bit, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, Willie do. We just got to let it simmer. Let it sit. Just keep it there, Kirk. Don't move that camera. You understand? This is Willie Doo's.
That's too much.
No, this is Willie Doo's moment right now.
That's a little too much.
I like what you said. I didn't think I was going to like what you said, and I like what you said.
But it seems like the case is
in the partial fold there, that will stand up.
It would.
That will stand up on the tabletop when you're eating your cereal, your breakfast cereal. You understand? What are you doing for breakfast cereal? You don't eat cereal.
No.
But if you had to eat a cereal?
Probably Fruit Loops.
Oh, you go all the way.
Yeah.
You go like, I don't usually, but if I do, I'm going all the way.
Yeah. Why not, you know?
Yeah, that's the kind of guy you are. Okay, cool. So this one, Will thinks the secondary fold is for some kind of a standing position. Is he right? Is he wrong? Time will tell. I would love to see your speculation in the comments section. You go for it. All right,